want George Rain just to speak real quickly about the active aloe, the Acemannan. George, just take about a minute and just speak about that aspect of cellular communication that the Acemannan brings to the product. So George Renninger, go ahead, please. George Renninger, please go ahead.
Okay. You see that on the screen? Okay.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. So it's a triactive technology, and as you've heard about today, we've talked a lot about the glutathione, whether it's bioavailable or intracellular, what can happen. You've heard about the SOD. Like Benjamin has said, the Aloe Acemannan ingredient, the reason I know so much about that is because I am friends with those that held the patent for kind of the discovery, the isolation, and the ability to stabilize that active ingredient. And so as we look into what is that Aloe Acemannan, it's the active ingredient that is in the gel. It's a mannose molecule. It's actually a biological sugar molecule that actually is not just on the surface that it's active, but inside the cell, it actually is what enables the cell to express on the surface what's going on inside. And this is a science that if you want to write this down, it's called glycobiology. And it is a up and coming emerging science as well. And we'll show a little bit of that toward the end of what I'm saying. But, you know, Harvard has a whole glycobiology department. And it is this code of sugars that enable the cells to communicate on the surface what's going on inside the cell. Just like a doctor, if you can have the patient describe their symptoms correctly, you know what to do. The immune system is the same way. How many of you know that almost all disease is either an overactive immune system or an underactive immune system? And so this molecule operates for cellular communication. And so these are just a couple of other PubMed studies that were motivational for us when we were putting this product together. But Acemannan has various medicinal properties like osteogenic, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, with the accelerate healing of lesions. Aloe Acemannan is known to have antiviral, anti-tumor activities in vivo through the activation of immune responses. Now notice that's antibacterial and antiviral in that same molecule. It was concluded that aloe vera has immense potential as a therapeutic agent. Aloe vera, the second study here, Aloe Acemannan, considered one of the main bioactive polysaccharides of aloe vera, possesses immunoregulation. Now that's the function of what happens when cellular communication is correct. The body knows to dial it down or to turn it up. Anti-cancer, anti-oxidation, here's your oxidation again, wound healing and bone proliferation promotion, neuroprotection, intestinal health promotion activities, among others. There's over 44,000 studies on PubMed regarding this. And I put this together. I just want you to take a look at that. That's Harvard in the upper left-hand corner. That's Canada running their own symposium. That's a global symposium in Vienna, Austria this year. That little picture you see in the middle there, that is the Acemannan with sugars hanging off of it, enabling the cells to communicate. And it is a powerful biology. So to wrap up the entire part of it, this is the kind of the closing slide regarding Purxcel, kind of a summary of what we show on our normal slides. And it is from that great product that we reveal an incredible business opportunity.